Boy, what up? Back at it again with another video with Lucifer.
Started.
Yeah, we're gonna go outside and don't know. We're gonna do stuff in the backyard. So he's talking to his grandma right now, so I don't want to talk to her because it's a grandma. She gets really angry. Sawdust.
Started.
Sawdust. Hey, Dom. Dom, let's go to Colin's room.
Okay.
Yeah. We're in like this sort of garage. We're in his cousin. Oh, there's a door right there. You can open it. And yeah. So right now we're gonna get some fuel. We're gonna. Do we have any more fuel?
Huh?
To burn stuff?
What was that, bleach?
Where? Oh. I see some. I want some.
Oh shit, it's actually leaking.
Really?
Yeah.
I want some? No.
No, I'm taking this.
Yeah. Alright, anyway.
I'm pretty sure it's blocked.
Take me outside. How about that?
No.
God dang. Hold the phone, Lucifer.
Hello. Smells like bleach in here now.
I love it smell.
Same. Wait. Okay, there's no lock on there. No, don't break it.
Oh, wait a minute.
Why don't we just go through the front door?
You know what? That'd be a great idea. Let's see. Sawdust back. Dom, you have your flash out? You need a flash, yeah.
One of my friends texted me.
Alright, hurry.
46 minutes ago.
Alright. Alright, we're in Lucifer's backyard. I'm sorry for saying his real name, but I'm trying to say about his YouTube. Well, you can't even see me. Point at me. Alright, yeah. So, again, we're gonna make a fire.
Why the fuck am I wearing sunglasses?
I don't know. Alright. Holy shit. This is... Alright, put it down the ground.
Remember this?
Yeah, oh yeah, put it out and it started flaming there. Alright, this is what it was. If you
My
can't
food
see
on
it.
fire.
Yeah, alright, wait. Wait, don't put it yet. Stop, bro! We need it.
Oh shit.
You have to take that out.
I've got some on me, huh?
Oh, it's cold.
I wonder why. I can't use all the food on my lighter.
We just need like a little bit. Not yet. Gotta fill it all the way up. Got a lot of grass from under here. Alright, where's the little bottle?
That?
Yeah.
You don't need that to light it.
Just have some fuel in it. Light it now. On that grass. Yes. Oh, yes, boy. Sawdust. Oh shit, we need more.
Oh, ember.
That ain't working. Crap. Oh.
I legit caught an ember. I just caught an ember.
on fire, you hoes.
Just gasoline fluid is not gonna work for it. Jesus Christ.
No, I can't do it.
Oh.
God dang.
Out.
Sorry.
You dumbass.
You dumbass.
Do not know how fire works.
Alright.
Don't fucking suffocate it.
God dang, I can't open it.
There we go.
Yeah, that feels good. Made a fire. Alright guys, end of the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and subscribe to Lucifer. Lucifer what?
Das Fear.
Lucifer's Das Fear. And subscribe to my channel, Sawdust Boy. And I'll see you later. Sawdust.